In this video, I will show you how you can take 3D photos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Galaxy Store, then in the search bar just search this. Now from here just install Good Lock on your Samsung phone. After you do that, then just tap on Open, and from here just scroll down and look for the option for Camera Assistant. Now just tap on it, then tap on the download icon. And once the Camera Assistant option is fully installed, then just tap on the play button over here to open the Camera Assistant. On this page, just scroll down and look for the option for 3D capture. Now just enable this toggle. And after you do that, you will be able to capture 3D photos and videos using the camera app of your Samsung phone for your Galaxy XR headset. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now in the camera app, just look at the top of the screen and you will find the Galaxy XR icon. Now just tap on this icon, then just rotate your phone in landscape mode. Now you will be able to record 3D videos and capture 3D photos using the camera app of your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.